Hello everyone. Have you seen a picture of a train? At the front of every train is a locomotive. The locomotive is a powerful engine that pulls all the other cars behind it. Can you make the sound of a locomotive? It goes choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo. The locomotive works very hard to pull the train. If it didn't work so hard, the train would not move. I try to be like the locomotive every chance I get. Even when I'm working on something I'm not sure I can handle, I just try to be like the locomotive, but instead of saying choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo, I always say, yes I can, yes I can, yes I can. When there's a big challenge in front of you, imagine you're the locomotive that makes everything happen and say, yes I can, yes I can, yes I can. And remember, I believe in you and I know you can. Adios for now, and always say, yes I can, yes I can, yes I can.